Let's start off with 863 divided by 3. 3 hops into 8 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. Then 8 minus 6 is 2. And then we bring down the 6. And now we're going to say how many times 3 hop into 26. 3 hops into 26 8 times without going over. 8 times 3 is 24. Subtract. 26 minus 24 is 2. And now we bring down the 3. 3 hops into 23 without going over 7 times. 7 times 3 is 21. Subtract and you get 2. Now at this point, when you have the 2 remainder, like some people like to write R2, I don't love that. It's correct, but I love using the fraction and turning this into a mixed number because it's 287 and then it's 2 remaining. Down here, that's where you get the 2 from, out of 3. So it's 287 and 2/3. 863 divided by 3 is 287 and 2/3. Okay, let's jump on to the next one. All right, let's do 4,035 divided by 8. 8 doesn't hop into 4, but 8 will hop into 40. 8 hops into 40 5 times. Make sure you write that 5 above this 0 because we used the whole 40 here. 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract 0. 40 minus 40 is 0. Then we're going to bring down this 3. Now we're going to say 8 hops into 3 0 times. 0 times 8 is 0. Subtract. You get 3. Let's bring down this 5. 8 is going to hop into 35. 8 will hop into 35 4 times because 4 times 8 is 32. Subtract, and we get 3 remaining. Now once again, I like to bring this 3 up here as the numerator, and the 8 over here is the denominator, and we get 504 and 3/8. So 4,035 divided by 8 is 504 and 3/8. All right, great. Let's move on to the next one. The last one we're going to do is 3,437 divided by 12. 3,437 divided by 12. So let's do 2-digit and a 4-digit here. Just make it a little bit more challenging on the last one. So 12 hops into 3 0 times, right? So we don't need to do that one. 12 is going to hop into 34 then. 12 will hop into 34. It's going to hop in 2 times without going over. If it was 3, it would be 36, and that's too much. So it hops in 2 times. 2 times 12 is 24. Subtract 34 minus 24 is 10. Then we bring down this 3. 12 is going to hop into 103 8 times. 8 times 12 is 96. And we subtract, we get 7 left over. 103 minus 96 is 7. We bring down this 7 right here. Now 12 hops into 77 6 times for 72. Because 6 times 12 is 72. We subtract, we get 5 remaining. And now we get 286 and 5/12. Awesome. Yeah, so 3,437 divided by 12 is 286 and 5/12. Awesome, good job. If you found value in this video, please take a moment and share it with your friends. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.